Hello, dear Family First families.
Welcome to July 30th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
It's Family DIY Photo Collage Day, a perfect chance to dive into your memories and create something beautiful together. Step 1. Gather your photos. Collect printed photos or print some from your phone. Focus on cultural events, trips, birthdays, or fun family moments. Let everyone pick a few favorites. Step 2. Create a canvas. Choose a large sheet of cardboard, paper, or even an old calendar page to build your collage. This will be your family memory board. Step 3. Design together. Arrange the photos in fun shapes, a heart, a tree, or a simple timeline. Add labels, stickers, doodles, or captions to tell your family's story visually. Step 4. Talk about the memories. Take turns sharing the story behind each photo, what you felt, learned, or loved. These reflections strengthen bonds and highlight shared experiences. Step 5. Display your collage. Hang your masterpiece somewhere special, maybe the fridge or a bedroom wall. Snap a picture and call it your family moments gallery. Celebrate Family DIY Photo Collage Day with laughter, reflection, and creativity. Let your memories bring warmth to today.
Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.